Welcome to the School of Concepts. In this video, we are going to discuss nouns and types of nouns. Noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, or idea. It is a fundamental part of language and is used to identify and communicate about objects, concepts, and individuals. For example, car is a noun as it represents a thing. Boy is a noun as it represents a person. And Pakistan is a noun as it represents a place. Types of noun. Noun has the following types: proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, and collective nouns. Now we are going to discuss all these types of nouns in detail. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of specific people, places, organizations, or events. The first letter of a proper noun is always capitalized. Examples of proper nouns. Allama Iqbal is a proper noun as it is the name of a specific person and the national poet of Pakistan. China is also a proper noun as it is the name of a specific country. NASA is a proper noun, it is the name of a specific organization. Olympics is the proper noun as it is the name of a specific sports event. Common nouns. Common nouns are general terms that refers to categories of people, places, things, or ideas. Examples of common noun. Man. Man is a common noun as it is used for a category of adult human. Similarly, house is a common noun which is used for a place where people live. Chair is a common noun and used for a category of furniture. Countable nouns. Countable nouns, also known as count nouns, are nouns that can be counted. They refer to distinct individual objects, people, or concepts that can be enumerated. Countable nouns can be counted using numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Countable nouns typically have a plural form, often formed by adding s or es to the singular form. Examples of countable nouns are pen, as it can be counted as 1, 2, 3. Tree, it also can be counted as 1, 2, 3. And keys, which can also be counted in numbers. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, also known as non-count nouns or mass nouns, are nouns that cannot be counted. They refer to substances, materials, or concepts that are indivisible or infinite. Uncountable nouns typically do not have a plural form. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted using numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Some examples of uncountable noun are rain, as it cannot be counted. Music, which cannot be counted in numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And fire, which cannot be counted in numbers. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are nouns that refer to intangible concepts, emotions, ideas, or feelings. They are non-physical and cannot be perceived through our senses. Abstract nouns are indivisible and cannot be observed directly. Abstract nouns represent concepts, ideas, or feelings that exist in our minds. Some examples of abstract noun are love, which is a feeling. Happiness. Happiness is also an abstract noun as it cannot be perceived through our senses. Similarly, equality is a concept in our mind. Therefore, it is an abstract noun. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are nouns that refer to tangible objects, substances, or living things that can be perceived through our senses. They are physical and can be touched, seen, heard, tasted, or smelled. Some examples of concrete nouns are books that can be touched and seen through our senses. Cat, which can be touched, seen, and heard. Similarly, apple, which can be touched, seen, and tasted. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that refers to a group of people, animals, or things. They are used to describe a collection of individual items as a single unit. Collective nouns treat the group as a single unit. Collective nouns often have plural, but the noun itself is singular. Examples of collective noun are family, which is used for a group of people living together, flock, used for a group of birds, and bundle, which is a collective noun for a group of sticks.
Motherfucking design all right now.